guys, it's currently 10:37, so let's go get ready to go kayaking. Okay, so we're out kayaking.
Oh my god.
The water's really high, so there's like a bunch of stuff everywhere that we have to try and avoid. But so far it's been pretty slow. Other than like 2 rapids. But let's do a get to know me while we sit here. Oh crap. Okay. I'm a gymnast. You obviously know my name kinda. I prefer to not say my name. Where?
When you get over here, make sure you paddle out, otherwise you'll go into the bank.
Oh, well. Okay, I'm coming. Why is there such a sharp turn? I'm working on it. I'm gonna run into that bank. Oh, well. I don't know if you can see up there. It's just crazy. You can hear it. Okay. And this is why I have a light vest on. My paddles are almost backwards. Okay. Oh, crap. I almost ran into that. Okay, we're good. Yeah, the wind got cold over here. Oh, God. Yep.
Oh my god.
Turn. Okay. Oh, crap. Okay. Yeah, we chilling. Just went through all that back there. So much fun. Oh, look at that. We're passing a little cabin. Crap, I've got to do that so I don't run into the bank. Okay. Let's see. I like to kayak. Obviously, that's why I'm here. I don't really have a favorite food. I kind of like everything. The only things that I won't eat is like raw sushi and just fish. I like sushi, but I'm not the biggest fan of fish. It's kind of bleh. Yeah. I'm kind of like staying back from the group so that they don't hear me. Because I feel a little bit awkward filming in front of them. But yeah, we're gonna go do another time lapse. Bye-bye.
We don't talk anymore. We don't talk anymore. We don't talk anymore like we used.
Okay, look, I just showered and I'm clean. And I got a sunburn only there on my legs because of the amazing way I was sitting down. It was a 2-hour kayak ride, and that was the only way I was sitting. So smart. Thank the Lord for my cousin going to get me the Solar King from the store. But let me know what kind of outros I should start doing, like what y'all want me to like call you or something, and what I should start doing at the end. But that's up to y'all. Okay, bye guys.